barbership, yeah.
Can we still confirm that this is your weirdest haircut?
This is, I mean, I've had lots of questions at the barbershop or at the hairdresser, but these are quite deep questions.
Deep questions?
Normally they ask me, where do you come from, where do you live? You skipped all those questions and you went straight to the heart of it. You're a bad driver.
House calls are not my favorite. I really don't do it. I used to do it, but I don't do it anymore. But what can you do? When the shops are quiet and clients are asking, can you do a house call? Go do it. Gotta make sure that I stay safe. So I got my mask, I got sanitizer, I've got gloves, I got all of that. Also, the person who's here, I'm gonna go cut, Dr. Richard Noor. I've never cut his hair before, but I think I can do it. I think I can. It's not like super difficult. I mean, it's a haircut. I think the interesting bits and bobs around it is that he's also a published author. So we probably get to chat about his new book. Let's see how it goes. And then after nothing, I suppose. Richard, I'm good, man. I should have asked you before I left the shop. Where do you stay? I have to come up with really cool questions to ask Richard, like really cool ones, man. He's a fantastic businessman. He's very successful in his field. Also a published author. So, like, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. So I have to ask him quite questions, man, like really, really good ones. But not the things that they've asked him before. You know, what inspired you to write your book and those type of things. Maybe also have to do something about the audio, because you guys always complain that my audio is not good. But the point is, we need to ask him really, really cool questions. But unconventional questions, like, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
Okay, as promised, he has no idea what he's in for. This is also the first time I cut your hair, Richard. I think this is definitely going to be the strangest haircut you ever had. We can both agree on that.
Definitely.
What is even more strange is I prepared a few questions.
Okay.
Yeah, I did a thing in the car. Well. Yeah, I did a thing in the car. I prepared a few questions and all of that. You know what I mean? So we got. This is going to be strange. I promise you, it's going to be strange. I also know something about you. I do. I found out you're a bad driver.
A lot of people claim that, yeah.
Yeah, that's what the insurance company claimed.
Well, unfortunately, the car, I wasn't driving it when it got pranked, eh?
No, he drove into a heister. How?
Well, I didn't drive into the heister.
Well, do you have proof?
As a matter of fact, we do have proof, eh?
He drove into a heister. We're going to leave it at that. He can't show the proof, so we're going to take that. No, we know you didn't drive into the heister. But is that true? Are you a bad driver?
No, I'm actually a very responsible driver. Eh?
Okay.
Was a bad driver, you know, but you must grow up and you mature and you grow a pair of brains between your ears and you start doing things the right way. What I can tell you, seeing as we on the golf topic, you know, and Dustin passed away on the golf course. My mates who play golf with me will tell you that I'm a bad driver on a golf course.
Only on the golf course? What's the old saying? Was it you drive for show and putt for dough?
That's correct.
That's the move.
That's the move. Yeah. It's not how you drive, it's how you arrive.
It's how you arrive.
On your screen, look where he's aiming. teed off on 10. So he's made the turn and he's trying to get this ball to turn towards the hole. Oh, how good is this?
Come on, do
How
it.
good is that?
Yeah, look, I mean, you must have seen my hair through the years, so
I have. You keep a bit of that.
we keep a bit, not straight in the front,
Not
a bit
straight,
jagged,
a bit jagged.
and then
So it's just a trim.
Yeah,
I also
yeah.
noticed you keep a bit of weight
no,
in
we
the
can
back.
take that out. We can take that.
Oh, I thought you're bringing back the mullet.
No.
You're not
Mullet
bringing-
was 35 years ago. Eh?
You're not bringing back the
No,
mullet.
we can
So
take it out.
Take it out.
The only reason why it looks like a mullet is because I cut some of the stuff myself.
It's just doing your own thing.
It was irritating my ears and my eyes, so I just trimmed it a bit by myself. Yeah.
By yourself, yeah. Who said you can't do
But
this?
no. We need the professionals, you know.
Okay,
That's why
okay.
you're here today.
Okay, and then finally, the other question that I have is that do you have a sneaker fetish?
My son does, eh?
No, you.
I don't actually. If I've got 6 pairs of tackies, it's a lot, eh? So
So you don't have a sneaker fetish. So my informers
your
are wrong.
informers are totally wrong.
Are wrong. But they were right about the driving thing, but just not on the road.
Yeah.
They got that also wrong.
Golf course.
So I'm, what's it?
Your intelligence
I'm
isn't
0
working so
for 2
like
here. I'm 0 for 2.
Yeah, I think you throw a good question over there.
Yeah, I'm going to say food is always a good topic, no?
Food's a great topic.
Food's a great topic, yeah. So where does that come from?
Sure. I often say to people, you know, I don't know what this food craze is all about in this new era that we live in. My mom was 80.
Yeah.
She ate anything and everything that she loved. She was overweight, and she lived a good life. But and as you know, curry has become my signature dish.
Yeah.
And as my son has been saying, every pot is better than the last.
Sisa.
So somehow
But your son is biased, man.
he's not.
He's biased, is your son?
He'll tell you straight.
We
I'm
have to get somebody else to confirm
Ask
that.
Aiden.
We have to get someone else to confirm. We can't take your son's word.
Ask Aiden.
And we ask Aiden. Yeah, so, and I've been avoiding this one, but let's go there anyway. Richard, do you have kids? I preempted this one. He told me the story, but let me ask like it's the first time. Do you have children?
I've got 3 kids from 3 different women. They all related, and my wife accepts all of the kids. So I've been blessed with 3 kids. Yeah. The good Lord knew exactly why He put me where He put me right now.
But when you phrase it like that, it's so intentional, man. Like you just almost like you know, if somebody was like a gossip king, you know, or like a skinnerbeck, man. And when you say now I've got 3 kids from 3 different women, check here, it's like almost like here's the recorder. It's so juicy, man. But people must mind their own business, man, and listen properly.
We make sure that people kind of are engaging, you know, and let them kind of think about it. Yeah. So anyway,
we did 20 minutes. We never spoke about the book once. Like,
next
how? Next haircut. But he does have a book. I'm gonna link it in the description below. Okay, so that was Richard Noor. We managed to get through, I don't know, 20 minutes, more or less 20 minutes haircut. He's very, very happy with his haircut. If it was your first time watching and you just discovered my channel, a sub to this channel would be really, really great.